Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Flutter uses null safety and you have a working project. Install freezed, build runner and JSON serializable in PubSpec, then run Flutter pubget. Create a model Dart file and add the required part directives and that freezed annotation. Once done, declare your factory constructors and fields. This is the concrete shape you want. Make sure to use immutability and final fields so freezed can generate correct copy with equality, and when /maybe when helpers for you. Now you generate code by running build runner. The flag to delete conflicting outputs avoids common errors. Once generated, import the freezed Dart and Dart files and wire up factory my model from JSON for serialization. You then use the generated copy with to create modified instances instead of mutating state. For pattern matching, call when or maybe when. These give clear branching for union types. Also integrate the model into your state management, so the immutability benefits propagate through your app. To finish, double-check that part directives and file names match exactly. Mismatches are the most frequent failure. Rerun build runner whenever you change models, or use watch during active development to auto-generate files. When integrating into JSON flows, validate with simple unit tests to ensure from JSON/ to JSON symmetry. If something breaks, examine the build runner output and analyzer errors. They usually point to a missing part, conflicting import, or a non-final field that prevents code generation. Fix that and rebuild.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.